Hi, this is Reginald, Perryman, real estate broker here in Metro Detroit. I'm currently here in Southfield. As you can see, this property is currently in the middle of renovation. So I get this often with clients and investors here in Metro Detroit. So this particular client was in the middle of renovations, as you can see, and he basically asked me if I can sell the property because he was not willing to finish the project. He asked me if I could sell this property as is. The reason some investors have to sell a property before the project is complete can be caused by a number of reasons. Maybe a life situation has changed, or maybe you just had bad experiences with contractors, or the property is just simply not as profitable as you thought. So if you need help selling a property and the project is not finished, maybe you're in the middle of renovation and rehab, give me a call, Reginald Perryman, regiusrealestate.com.